Becca. So today I'm going to be working with the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, Periwinkle, and then I'm also going to do something kind of festival-y, so I'm excited. So let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to put some lip balm on. This is Sugar Rose by Fresh. Okay, I think I'm going to use a combination today because I really like the LA Girl Pro Matte, but I also don't like how matte it is. So I'm going to use the Water Foundation by MAC, and the LA Girl is in Bisque, and the MAC is in NW13. And for today's primer, I'm going to use this. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, so I'm just going to apply that with my hands. So I'm really excited. We are doing the March for Babies. It's the March of Dime. So I'm really excited to be doing that with my sister-in-law, and all my family is going to be there. So I'm really excited to be supporting such a good foundation. Okay. Enough of that tearjerker. So now we are going to start on the face. And I need a wet beauty blender, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my beauty blender. So I'm just going to shake these up. And I'm actually going to do this one first since this one's thicker. I'm just using like a quarter of a pump. That way we don't have too much foundation. And now I'm going to take the matte water foundation. Relax, sugar. And also, I've never done this combination, so I'm excited to see. Right now that I look scary AF. Oh, I'm also just taking the Boing Airbrush Concealer from Benefit in shade 1. What powder to use? What powder to use? Let's use my Patrick Star powder. And blend out my creases. We're not necessarily baking with this. So we're going to use this R14 brush and just... So today I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the color Fair. And I'm going to take a smidget of these two colors and I'm going to bronze with this color. This big AF brush, like I don't know what it is, I just know it's like super stiff, so I like using it for contouring. To blend this out with the butt of my beauty blender. And I'm actually going to spray my beauty blender with my Matte Fix Plus. And I'm just going to like pinch it and do it right in here. Straight on the butt of my beauty blender, I'm going to use this middle shade. And I'm kind of going to use that to diffuse it a little bit. So now we are going to powder. And I'm going to use the same Patrick Star powder. Just give myself a light dust M40 brush from Morphe, of course. Alright, just like that. And I don't like using a color powder if I cream contour, just because like on a cream contour if you're just going to cover it up with powder. So now I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, just on that same brush. Too Faced Peach Highlight Palette. Sweet Peach highlight palette, and I'm gonna use the bronzer shade out of here. Alright, so I'm actually just gonna take the glow blush, and I just like blending my, I don't know why, I just like blending it in with my contour. Just make those cheeks just etcha. So this is how we're looking at the moment. I'm actually just gonna give us a little spritz. Oh honey, it's like melted. Ooh. I'm going to take my Morphe palette. I love this palette. This is 25B. I was gonna get A, but I'm like, I don't know, like, lean towards those colors. I'm going to use Image here and Truth. Image and Truth. I can't really see y'all, so can't see if y'all see me for my transition color. Okay, so I'm gonna use the E22 brush. Gosh. So let me take these two. I wish I had like a ring light. And then I'm gonna take the next color, it's Speechless. I might use Seek. What is this one? I might use its brother Talk. Seek and Talk. Whenever you are doing your eyes, you want to make sure your eye is open. So what I like to do when I'm looking in the mirror is I stare at the top of my head. So I'm just like this. And I just glance down. Well, I placed the color and then I knew that. Because y'all would be like, right in the eyeball. Yeah, I'm gonna use Truth and see what that looks like. This color, which is Character. Like, while we're here, I'm going to take the regular black Stila All Day. Boom, girl. Boom. Alright, so with the Periwinkle, I'm going to I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera because it's gonna take forever. Okay guys, so my right eye is so much better. So I'm actually gonna use my hoola. So next is the highlight, the part I'm most excited about. So this is the Almay Make Them Jelly highlight, Mermaid Magic. So I'm just gonna like, and it's like a gross texture, so like when I swirl my hand around there it kind of chunks off, kind of gross. But like when you're looking straight on at me, I don't know if y'all can tell, but like when you're looking like dead center of me, you can see like tiny glitters, and then it's like, dang girl, that purple done gotcha. And I'm super glad I got the purple one. I don't know that I would like the pink one. So I'm gonna use this highlight by Wet n Wild. This is Precious Petals. Tap it on my nose and run it down the bridge of my nose. This is the Tarteist Tarte lip paint in the color Expose. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Look at that. Hello, baby. Hello. So alright, so this is the finished look guys. I did not put false lashes on. I just like the look better without them. I like a lot of lower lash, and like with this eye, like, you know, just simple lashes. So alright, I will see you guys next time. Y'all have a great day. Bye.